Hi guys, and welcome to this Divi WordPress theme tutorial. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignertechtips.com. In this series of videos we're going to be building a one-page scrolling website with the Divi WordPress theme. And this theme's got some great things. It's got some video sliders, we've got animations, got a bit of CSS going on there, got a video background. And in this series of videos I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put this site together. We'll start from scratch and we'll work from the header all the way down to the footer. We've included some great features like a back to the top button and some smooth scrolling to get to our various sections here. And although Divi has some great built-in themes and templates, this is for people that want to build their own from scratch, and it really is quite easy, especially with the new Divi builder. For those of you that haven't got Divi, you can get it from my affiliate link below this video, or you can go to elegantthemes.com and get it from there. So let's get started building this site. So let's add some interesting dividers. Let's enable our visual builder. Now that it's enabled, let's scroll down and we'll start with this section here. So if we just click on its cog, go to design, go down to dividers. Now Divi has just given us a whole bunch of dividers that we can use now with all different styles, and you can put them on the top and or the bottom. So let's find one. I'm going to use the top, and here's our little list we've got going here. And let's see, something curvy probably. Yeah, I think something like that. We'll have to adjust our little interior section here. That's no problem. So we'll put that one on the top, and let's put the same thing on the bottom. There we go. And what we'll do, we'll save that. And we'll grab our little section here and just make it a little bit larger. Just put it over so that box is hidden there. That'll do it. So we've added a nice little curve to the top and bottom of that section there. Makes it stand out a little bit more. Let's move on down. And I think we'll leave those as is. But let's make these prices stand out a little more. So again, I'm just going to hit that cog. I'm going to go to design. I'm going to go to dividers. And I think I'll put something, again, curvy on the top, but let's use a different one this time. Or maybe something like that. Oops. For some reason it didn't select it. Yeah, okay. Just save that, and again let's just make this section a little bit deeper there. Not too much. maybe a little bit more. Yeah, that should work. Let's save our changes. Let's exit our visual builder. Now when we scroll down, let's go through the sections. Well, actually, let's manually scroll down. Within a few minutes, we just added a bit of... This used to take forever for me to do CSS to make things do this sort of thing. It's a really cool feature that Divi has just added. I think we might want to shorten the gap between there and there. That seems a little big to me. And there we go. That's made our pricing section stand out a little bit more. Contact section's fine, maps fine, footer's okay. So let's go back up, let's re-enable our visual builder and see if we can't just adjust the spacing here. There's too much white space there. Like I've said before, white space is a good thing, but I think we've got a little too much there. Okay, there it is right there. So let's take this padding and let's put him about there. Yep, I think that's going to work. So let's save that. And exit our visual builder. So let's have a quick scroll through. I think we are finished with our site now. Home section we're on at the moment. About section. Services section, and again that space there is fine. I think that works okay now. Team section. Pricing section. Contact us. I'll tell you what I've forgotten to do is add animations. Okay, let's go through and do that. Let's enable that visual builder again. Okay, and let's go through each section. I'm probably going to use the same animation on each section. I don't want to do it on the whole one. I want it to do it on the internal section here. It's going to be design and animation, and I think I will use the zoom. There we go. And again, I want it on this whole section here. Design, animation. We'll use a fade on that one. Don't want to overdo it. It's very easy to overdo things with these animations. This one, again, I'm going to use that zoom, I believe. That way, as you scroll down, these things will zoom in. This one, I'm going to have perhaps coming in from one side. Actually, let's cancel out of that and just do it on the image itself. So that's here. I want perhaps to come in from the left. Nope, from the right. There we go. And then this one we'll have coming in from the left. There we go, that's what I wanted. This section will have that slide in or fade in as well. Zoom, that's fine. This is all white. I'm going to do it on this whole section here. And again, I think I'll flip. Yeah, let's use that flip on that one. Back to the old favourite, the zoom there, that's fine. Pricing tables. Obviously, play with these, put it however you want. Sometimes, for professional reasons, it's good not to have any animation. But a lot of people do like it, and it does tend to make things more eye-catching, which is what you want in a website, especially nowadays. Map section, we're going to leave the rest fine. So let's save that. Exit the visual builder and see what we got. And as you get to each section, it should perform those. Okay, I may have gone too fast for that one. Yeah, the fade's not particularly much, but I think we've got plenty going on there. Do a refresh. There we have it. I think our site is finished. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this series of videos and found it useful. If you have, please subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in web development, please take one of our courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers. There's also some great free courses down there. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.